Hey guys, so in this video I'll teach you how you can get approved for basically any credit card, especially through Chase Bank. If you have nothing on your credit or have bad credit, the best way to do it is to improve your credit score, add more history, lower your credit utilization, and have less than 10 hard inquiries. So for Chase, they would like for you to have under 5 or maximum 5 hard inquiries. If you go over 5 hard inquiries, it's going to be hard to apply for Chase, but every other credit card company will approve you. But Chase is a little more strict. And also making a bank online through Chase is also strict. So if you're trying to get approved for 3 of these credit cards, I recommend you keep your hard inquiries at a bare minimum of under 5. So to get approved, you can do a few things. You can build your credit, which takes a lot of time and effort. You can open up secure credit cards, use it over time within a year. You can apply for a Chase, but if you do have a Chase and you've been banking with them for a few years or the first year, you most likely will get approved for an unsecured card around a couple $1,000 range. But if they see you have a lot of money in your bank, they will give you more. So let's say you make 6 figures, they could give you, starting out $5,000 for a credit card. If you make $3,000 a month, they could just give you, $2,000 a month with Chase. But the fast way is to add primary trade lines, and there are companies that provide trade lines. Trade lines are accounts on your credit. If you open an account, that is a trade line. You open an auto loan, you get a personal loan, you get a credit builder. Those are trade lines on your account, and they are very important. The more you have on your credit, the more you get approved for credit lines. You can get approved for mortgages, 0 down payment loans, this and that, So I'm on alltradeline.com. You can visit the website in the description. But for example, if you want multiple trade lines, for example, you can add, for example, a $200,000 trade line. So these are several credit lines for $800, right? $800. You add all these on there. It reports to all the reviewers, by the way. So once you have this on your credit, basically you can apply for lots of credit cards, ranging from $10,000 to $30,000 credit card approvals through, you can get several credit cards, cashing them out. You can use this, you can use a CPN, you can use your friend's account. If anyone who don't have credit, you can use theirs as well. People use other people's accounts to help them out and get funding and stuff. People use dead socials, this and that. But yeah, most likely you will get approved if you have loss of history. Like this will have around 5 years of history. But you can also add other types of trade lines. You can add all trade lines as well. All trade lines will definitely get you approved for cars with 0 down. And most of these dealerships will ask you to have something on your credit that's really good. And all trade lines are really good. These are most likely paid off, and having a paid off car is really impressive. So if you guys add that with the other trade lines, man, you guys are good to go. You can apply for all these credit cards. So most likely you have at least $50,000 worth of credit cards just through Chase. You can apply for other banks. Okay, you can rack up 10 credit cards. So you could stack up at least 100K or 150K worth of credit cards, and you can get a car, a loan. There's a lot you guys can do. Okay, so credit helps you build financial freedom. All right, so that'll be it, guys. But applying is not hard, especially through the CPN. Just treat it as your own social. You ship the cards to basically any address you want. Even if you move, you can ship it to any address. So that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Visit the links below for CPNs and trade lines.